telling you how I healed my damaged hair. So some of you guys have asked me, Marquencia, Miss Cowart, how have you healed your damaged hair? Like, I'm experiencing this, I'm experiencing that, I've done this, I've done that. Girl, I got you, okay? I got you. All right, so first things first, you all. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. We'll wait. Okay, now turn your notification bell on. We'll wait. Okay, so now that you subscribe, now that you turn your notification bells on, let's get into the video. So my hair, you all have watched my journey and still are watching my journey, hopefully, if not, subscribe. So I have experienced breakage, I've experienced having to trim my hair like inches, honey. I've experienced balding, like I've had a journey. It wouldn't be called a journey without a real journey, honey. So with that being said, I've had to do a lot of research. And okay, yeah, we're not just talking about watching other people's video. Yeah, we're not just talking about looking at Google here, there. Like, no, I've literally had to research. Number one, take notes, write it down. What type of hair do I have? High porosity, low porosity, medium porosity. Which one? That's number one. Next thing is, if you are high porosity or if you're low porosity, there are certain products that work best with your hair type. So once you find out the porosity that you are, then you'll be able to find out what products work best for you. So I'm going to use myself as an example. I'm high porosity, relaxed hair, and my hair is growing as we speak, literally. So I know that my hair loves moisture, loves protein, but it has to have a balance. Without a balance, my hair will break. Too much protein, too much moisture, it will break off. That's the only downfall about it. It's high porosity. We have holes, like holes in the pores of our hair, and it's so easy to break. Girl, I'm for real. You look at Susie, my hair, and she'll break. Okay, no, I repeat that. But you get what I'm saying. Ways you can find out, okay, is the pH balance right in this shampoo or in this conditioner? It will say it on the product. It will literally say pH balance. It will, any product that you see, you can Google it too. Google, girl, is your friend, girl. Siri is your friend. And if you see products that talk about balancing moisturizers, balancing shampoos, whatever the case may be, get those products. High porosity, we gotta have a balance. Again, if you do not have enough moisture, your hair will break. If you do not have enough protein, it will break. So oils, our hair as high porosity loves oils. Not just any oils though. Let me tell you, avocados, aloe vera, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, like our hair loves those oils. So get you an oil that works really well on your hair. Like, girl, hot oil treatments, girl, my hair's like in heaven. It like, just like, yes, honey, yes, girl, like it just, I don't want to say bow down, but y'all know what I mean, okay? Deep condition every week. I'm saying it now today. Deep condition every week. If you miss a week, okay. Don't fret. Deep condition every single week, and your hair will love you for it. It will be soft, so manageable. However, what you need to do is a protein, then deep condition. A protein, then deep condition, and a light protein. So it doesn't have to be those like really harsh proteins. You can do a mask maybe like once every month. You can do also, like I said, a light proteins or like 2-minute reconstructor for Alpha G. Like my hair loves it. Love Alpha G. Get you some Alpha G, girl. Low manipulation is the key to any hair journey. Any hair type, doesn't matter. White, black, Chinese, straight, curly, relaxed, natural, doesn't matter. Low manipulation will cause your hair to continue to keep its moisture, continue to keep it from breaking, because a lot of times when you see people with these different hairstyles constantly in their hair, the hair will break. It's just too much manipulation for the hair strands, so more than likely, 9 times out of 10, the hair will break. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far?
Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video.
So that is it. Those are the key to how I manage to heal my damaged hair. These are the things that I had to do. So again, repeating, number 1, find out what type of hair you have. Number 2, make sure you have a balance of moisture and protein. You have to do a protein treatment at least 1 time out of the month. If not, I suggest 2. 1 harsh protein and then 1 light protein. Number 3, deep condition is a must. No ifs, ands, or but. You have to do a deep condition or your hair will not be able to survive the next following weeks. Especially if you live in a hot environment such as Florida, girl, the weather here has no mercy sometimes. Number 4, low manipulation. Low manipulation. You're going to be in your hair at least 1 or 2 times out of the week, so make sure that you are in your hair for a purpose. Don't be running your hand through it. Don't be having your hair down on clothes that pull on it. Don't be getting in your car and it be pulled. Girl, put your hair up in a protective style, low manipulation. And I'll just add this one on there because I feel like I am going to be repeating myself. Finding a protective style that works for you, a real protective style. Because Susie over here got a ponytail, high ponytail, and them long ponytails, calling it protective style. Girl, bye. Protecting what? Find you a protective style that's a legit protective style. Don't jump on the bandwagon and think that that's a protective style for you because Susie's wearing it and saying that it's a protective style. No, girl. If you pulling, tugging, and you got headaches and girl, your edge is way down here, girl, that ain't no protective style. Find you a protective style that does not cause tension, breaking your hair off. Find you one, girl. So that is it. I repeated all of the steps back to you all. If you follow this, I promise you, and you follow my journey on top of that, you will manage to heal your damaged hair. I promise you. Look, comment down below asking my subscribers, because they're gonna comment asking my subscribers. Together, we've done this. We have healed our damaged hair together. We have learned together by all of us going and researching and coming back, tag team, and saying, hey, I've tried this, try that. I'm done, y'all. I'm done talking. Subscribe, like, comment, turn on notification bells, dog. I will see you later.